Assalamu alaikum, dears. We are making some map. So first of all, we make mountains slowly on the pencil, and we make also the sun shadow areas, and this, in the between of two hills we make the sun rising position, and we will also show the brightness of the sun. So it is brightness of the sun. Now we will make some shadows on the hills and mountains. The shadow show that the sun is opposite from this side, and there is a shadow on the mountain. So this is the painting rules that we make like this. So then we make some mountains in the right side of the scenery, and also draw the shadow lines too. So this is the painting rules. We are not very able to draw a real map, but we showing some techniques for the youngs and middle class students. Now we will make a home, a small house in the left middle. So first of all, you will make the roof of the house, and then right side of the house. This is the house roof. Then we will make the wall and front wall line. These all lines are drawn. Then we will make the floor area of the house, and then we will make the door of the house. So this is the exhaust and a shadow on the roof, which show that it is made from some others. Then we will make the window of the house and door too. This is the door of the house. Then we will draw the way it come from the house, which is smoothly goes to the front of house. Then we will make some trees. The tree will be drawn smoothly. This is the tree cycle, and the stakes made will be in the V shape, and then we will draw the whole map of the tree on the cycle. So leaf will be tucked. Also nice shadow will be made, and some grass also drawn by small according to the tree size and house size. This is the shadow of the land. Then we will make some table and chairs in the front of house and of chairs too. Chairs will be made like the size of house, not very big and not very small. Their legs and stands, some cups and glass will be made on the table, and a pool across the house, some water in the pool, in the corner of the pool. This will be shadowed, that look like. We will make some ducks in the pool. The ducks' feathers and wings. Some line in the pool that show water in the pool. This is another tree of design. And we will make some clouds on the sky which show that it is looking very beautiful on the sky. Then we will make some birds in the sky looking near to the trees and house. The birds are made. Now we will make some vehicle, a Pajero or something Land Rover shape 4-wheel drive vehicle. We will make such type of design in the painting. There are lights, wheels and windows of the vehicle. Small types of lines will be drawn in the and this is the vehicle, and there are rims on the tires. Wheels are prepared also. So this was the checks of a duck, 2 checks. If you like my drawing, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.